How Axure helped you build a design system. You are a member of a design team responsible for managing your company's design system. The system needs to include consistent design elements, styles, and components to ensure product coherence and brand recognition across the user interface. You need a tool to help you build and maintain this design system and enable team members to easily share and utilize these design resources. Using Axure as the tool to build the design system offers several benefits. Here's a case study illustrating how Axure helped you construct and manage the design system. Design Resource Library. With Axure, you can create a design resource library that houses a collection of design elements, styles, and components. These resources can be organized into library files, such as Axure Team Projects or Axure Share Projects. In the resource library, you can define standardized design elements like buttons, form fields, icons, etc., and set consistent styles and interactive behaviors. You can also create reusable components such as navigation bars, cards, modal boxes, etc., for team members to directly use during the design process. Component Library and Templates. Axure provides functionality for creating and managing component libraries and templates. You can save components from the Design Resource Library as library projects and apply them to different Axure prototype files. This enables team members to easily utilize these components for building consistent interfaces. You can also create template files that contain predefined page structures and styles to expedite the design process. Templates may include standard layouts, navigation, color schemes, etc., allowing designers to quickly start designing new interfaces. Style Management. Axure allows you to define and manage styles such as colors, fonts, borders, shadows, etc. You can create global styles to ensure consistency throughout the design system. By updating style definitions, you can swiftly apply changes to all elements using that style. Team Collaboration and Version Control. Axure supports team collaboration features, enabling team members to use and edit the Design Resource Library, Component Library, and templates. You can set permissions and access controls to ensure data security and consistency. Through Axure Team Projects or Axure Share Projects, team members can work on different aspects of the design system and share updates. This fosters collaboration and coordination among the team, ensuring the design system remains up to date. By utilizing Axure to build the design system, you can create a consistent design resource library, manage components and styles, facilitate team collaboration, and accelerate the design workflow. Axure's powerful features make the process of constructing and maintaining a design system more efficient and reliable.